Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered what secrets the universe is hiding? For generations, we've launched robotic explorers into the cosmos, hoping to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our world. Among these pioneers is Voyager 2, a small spacecraft launched decades ago, now venturing farther from Earth than any human ever has. Voyager 2 serves as our silent messenger, carrying the story of Earth into the vast unknown. Its mission: to journey endlessly through interstellar space, a symbol of our relentless curiosity. But then, the unexpected happened. On its solitary voyage, Voyager 2 received a command that changed everything. It was instructed to turn around and look back at the world it left behind. The information it sent back was unlike anything NASA had ever encountered. At the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, scientists listened intently as faint signals arrived from billions of miles away. This wasn't just another data point, it was a revelation that would challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. The secret Voyager 2 uncovered was simply too extraordinary to remain classified. So let's retrace the path of this remarkable spacecraft. We'll soar past massive planets and frozen moons and venture into the endless darkness beyond. We'll stand alongside the engineers as they send a bold command across the vastness of space. And we'll witness the moment when Voyager 2's discovery changed the course of space exploration forever. The universe is brimming with surprises, and our journey to understand it has only just begun. Let's rewind to 1977. NASA launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 on a mission called the Grand Tour. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, were perfectly aligned, allowing the spacecraft to slingshot from one to the next. Voyager 2's journey was spectacular. It revealed Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, Uranus's tilt, and Neptune's blue clouds. Each encounter sent back stunning images and data, inspiring generations of scientists. After its planetary tour, Voyager 2's mission changed. It became an interstellar scout, heading for the edge of our solar system. In 2018, after more than 40 years, it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends. Now, Voyager 2 drifts over 12 billion miles from Earth, sending back data from the space between stars. Its journey was supposed to continue quietly into the dark, but the team at NASA had one last, audacious idea. They wanted to try something never done before, a final, daring maneuver for their resilient explorer. Could Voyager 2 look back at the solar system from the outside? The answer would change everything. The stage was set for a bold experiment, and the world would soon learn what Voyager 2 saw. The idea began as a whisper at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Could Voyager 2 turn its cameras and sensors back toward home? The spacecraft was old, its systems fragile, and the risk was enormous. A failed maneuver could end all contact. But the chance to see our solar system from the outside was too tempting. The engineers wrote and checked the command sequence countless times. On a quiet morning, they sent the signal. 18 hours later, Voyager 2 received it. Tiny thrusters fired, slowly turning the spacecraft. The team waited anxiously for confirmation. Finally, a faint signal arrived. The maneuver was a success. Voyager 2 was now looking back at the distant sun and its tiny planets. For the first time, we could glimpse our home from the edge of interstellar space. The instruments began collecting data from this new perspective. What Voyager 2 found would astonish everyone. The universe had one more secret to reveal. The spacecraft's new view would challenge everything we thought we knew. The next transmission would change science forever. Voyager 2 had become our cosmic mirror, and what it reflected was extraordinary. With its instruments pointed homeward, Voyager 2 began to collect unprecedented data. It wasn't taking pictures. The sun was just a bright star, the planets invisible. Instead, it measured particles and magnetic fields at the edge of the solar system. The readings were puzzling. The heliosphere, our sun's protective bubble, wasn't shaped as expected. Instead of a smooth boundary, Voyager 2 detected a vast, shimmering shell, an intricate structure of plasma and magnetic fields. This shell was dynamic, pulsing with energy, interacting with the interstellar medium. It acted as a cosmic filter, regulating which cosmic rays entered our solar system. The discovery was completely unexpected. Our models had never predicted such a complex, organized structure. From inside, we'd been too close to see the whole picture. Voyager 2's new vantage point revealed our solar system's true architecture. It was a humbling moment. Our cosmic home was more complex and beautiful than we'd ever imagined. The data hinted at a protective shield, sheltering everything within. And for the first time, we saw our place in the universe with new eyes. Back on Earth, Voyager 2's data stunned the scientific community. Every test confirmed the signal was real. The structure existed. NASA's team worked around the clock to understand what they were seeing. The implications were enormous. Our solar system was shielded by a vast filtering shell. Could this have protected Earth, making life possible by blocking harmful cosmic radiation? The discovery touched on astronomy, biology, and our own origins. The pressure to understand was immense. Theorists raced to explain how such a structure could form. Was it unique to our sun or common in the galaxy? One old spacecraft had opened a new field of study. NASA's leadership knew this was too important to keep secret. The world needed to know. The decision was made. Announce the discovery. NASA moved quickly, organizing a global press conference. The announcement was shrouded in secrecy, promising a major Voyager update. Scientists recounted Voyager 2's journey, then revealed the discovery, a shimmering, protective shell around our solar system. Stunning visualizations brought the data to life. The world was captivated. Headlines everywhere declared the cosmic shield's discovery. For the first time, people imagined an invisible structure protecting our home. The story went viral, sparking collective wonder. NASA's transparency was praised. The raw data was released for all to study. Researchers worldwide began their own analyses, accelerating understanding. The discovery belonged to everyone, a shared moment of awe. It reminded us that the quest for knowledge is a human endeavor. The wonders of the cosmos are for all to explore. Voyager 2's legacy had become a global inspiration. The world looked up, united in curiosity, and the journey of discovery continued. This discovery changed how we see our place in the universe. Our solar system isn't just a collection of planets, it's a sheltered harbor in a cosmic sea. The heliosphere's outer shell creates a unique environment, distinct from the wild interstellar space beyond. This has huge implications for the search for life elsewhere. Now we must ask, do other star systems have protective shells like ours? The discovery also impacts space travel. Nature has built a massive radiation shield. Understanding it could help us protect future astronauts. Voyager 2 has shown us our home is more complex and wonderful than we knew. It's a story of hope and wonder. We are not just small, we are protected, part of something magnificent, and we have a new reason to look up at the sky. Voyager 2's discovery is a new beginning for space exploration. Scientists worldwide are analyzing the data, calling for new missions to map and understand the cosmic shell. Future explorers will need faster, more resilient spacecraft and sensitive instruments. The challenge will drive innovation, benefiting us on Earth. The quest to understand our place in the cosmos continues. This discovery invites us all to stay curious and support exploration. Every mission, every observation is part of this grand adventure. Voyager 2's journey shows the rewards can be greater than we imagine. As of July 28, 2025, Voyager 2 continues its lonely voyage, but it has left us a parting gift, a new understanding of our home. We are travelers in a sheltered oasis, protected by a cosmic wonder. The great unknown awaits. But now, we know our journey begins from a place more special than we ever dreamed. The adventure is just beginning.